Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Wednesday, October 20th, 2:25 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. Markets are still open. So let's look at the midweek activity. Let's look at the weekly candle. We can need to determine, did we break out from the high or low of the prior week? Or are we still inside the range of last week, which is not good? And are we trending or in acceleration? We want to find leadership. This is a beginner's guide of how you do it. Look at the broad market, the S&P 500 cash index, symbol SPX. And for the week, we made a higher high, higher low. That is bullish. The trend is going up. That is bullish. Looks like it's gunning for that all-time high. Leadership, that's good. NASDAQ 100 also, higher high, higher low, trending up, good. Dow Jones Industrial Average, all-time new high this week. It finally took out that swing high there. This is top leadership right now. Higher high, higher low, outstanding. Russell 2000, symbol RUT, 2,000 stocks, smaller stocks than those in the Dow. It's inside candle. Yep, it's stuck inside the range of last week. That's not good yet. No, it's struggling. The Dow Transports, which is also part of the S&P 500. Look at that. Higher high, higher low. Gunning for that all-time high. Well, again, transportation industry is hurting at many levels. So I'm not surprised if they're going to take a little bit longer to deliver you the all-time high. The struggle's real. Help them out. Dow Utilities, higher high, higher low. They're looking to go higher to take more money from you for your utility bills. And you approve that message because you got to pay for it or you're going to have no utilities. Got it. But again, you have elected lawmakers. You call them out for doing a better job or help. So now we already determined the best is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And in there is 30 companies, the largest US 30 companies listed on the stock market. I made that video yesterday that shows most of them are struggling. Only a few of them were hitting all-time highs. So you can check out that video yesterday, understand which single stocks are performing better than the others. Now we'll look at the sectors, the 11 sectors in the S&P 500. Again, each candle's a week. We already identified that Dow Jones Industrial Average made an all-time new high. Let's see if any of these stocks perform equal or better. XLK, higher high, higher low. XLV, higher high, higher low. XLF, all-time new high. XLF, the financials, the big banks, not surprised. Yep, all-time new high. So we got the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, and we have this sector index, the financials. Right now, you see those are the two leadership. If you're not invested in those, and if you're invested in something else, they should be either equal outperforming these. If they're not, nothing wrong with rotating out of weakness and getting into strength. XLV, all-time new high. XLC, well, it is higher than last week, but just coming off the bottom of the trend. XLI, higher high, higher low, gunning for that all-time high. XLP, wow, like the Russell 2000 is stuck inside. What is XLP? Have you been watching my past videos? Don't you know XLP? Okay, I'll share that with you. It's a consumer staples. It makes up 6.7% of the S&P 500. So you need to spend more money to help give this up. XLE, all-time new high, higher high, higher low. Wow. Yep, the energy sector. It's the higher utility bills. XLU, higher high, higher low. XLRE, higher high, higher low. The real estate. And XLB, higher high, higher low. So the takeaway is, right off the bat, most of these sectors are doing good for the week. They're making higher highs, higher lows than last week. The best ones are the ones that are all-time high. And then the bad kids are the ones that have not taken out the high of last week yet. So going through here real quick again, XOF, the financials. This is a stock ETF. Like I said, all-time new high. XLY, all-time new high. XLP, it's stuck inside the range of last week. XOE, all-time new high. So the stock indexes, it was the Dow Jones Industrial Average, that was leadership. Stock ETFs, XOF, XLY, XLE. Let's go look at some of those single stocks, the Fanng Plus stocks, the ones that are traded the most, the ones that are the most well known. Look at Apple. Again, these are weekly candles. It won't be completed till close of Friday. So if Apple higher high, higher low, that's good. But it has not taken out the all-time high yet. Just shy of that $150 range. Microsoft, all-time new high, outstanding, outstanding. Microsoft is inside the NASDAQ 100. It is also inside the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And of course, it's in the S&P 500, as well as some of those stock ETF sectors I showed you. So again, this is good leadership, outstanding. And I shared it with you several times this year and last year. This was one of the go-to single stocks to be invested in. Amazon, new high, higher high, higher low, has quite a ways to go to get all the way up there. Facebook, wow, turned around from the bottom of that trend. Higher high, higher low, trending around. So maybe this is the opportunity to reload, be bullish, and see if they're gonna go further up. Again, if you're bullish Amazon, Facebook, this is a discount price to buy it at. Google, company's Alphabet, but we know the company has Google, got higher high, higher low. Small trading range for the week. Yeah, it's in the midpoint of the week. It's not back at the higher low. That's see how it closes for the week. But for majority stocks at the highs, this is suspicious right here. Wonder if that's going to have a week closing on the end of the week. We'll find out. Yep, that's suspicious. Tesla, higher high, higher low. Looks like it's gutting for that all-time high up there. Yep, big recovery. I mentioned that all the way back here to be buying that if you're bullish single stock. Outstanding. November Victor Delta Alpha, higher high, higher low. Just shy of that $125. Yep, look at that too. Guess somebody's holding reserve that they haven't moved faster up. Netflix, wow, red for the week. Made a higher high, also made a lower low. So it broke outside of that prior week, which was an inside candle. Kind of makes sense because there was earnings coming in. And now, again, the red candle's not done until close of Friday, but it's currently red. It's also below the close of the prior week. That's not good. Nope, that's not good. We'll know at the end of the week when it closes what really happens, but nope. Suspicious. Bravo Alpha, Bravo Alpha. Well, finally made a reverse around this Chinese company. Alibaba. Green for the week. Higher high, higher low. Back inside this prior trading range, but near a record low of the year. Yep, it's not the best thing. So we look at these single stocks, the Fanng Plus phrase. takeaway is most of them is not at all-time high, where we right off the bat we know Microsoft is, but majority of them still have quite. Tesla's also studying for that. But again, most of them have made higher highs, higher lows for the week. That's a good thing. But again, majority of them are not at all-time highs. A lot of them are struggling, not so fast growth as other ones. So again, the overall, looking at those indexes like the Dow or the stock ETFs, like those sectors, yeah, those were outstanding better, especially that XLK. Hey, if you look at this comparison, here's Microsoft right here. Let's put that one for comparison. What I mean comparison, we'll look at the tech sector, that stock ETF, XLK. So right off the bat, this is heavily weighted too with Microsoft in it, but Microsoft outperforming this right here. If you want to trade the stock ETF for the Dow, you can also do DIA. Yep. There you go. $356.07 a share. There you go. A lot of choices. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.